Hi, this is Mrs. Rogers, one of your school counselors. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Naviance. Go to the blue portal, click, and then click on the green backpack. Log in using your regular Greenville County School email and password. Then click on Education Apps. Scroll down till you see Naviance and click on Naviance. Naviance is a program you can get to from any computer or your phone. Today we're going to do a couple different activities. First, go to About Me, My Assessments, and click on Do What You Are assessment. This assessment only takes about 20 minutes and it will help you choose different careers that might interest you. Click Continue and then Start when you're ready. At the end, you can go to the home screen. Next, you can click on Careers and go to Careers I'm Thinking About. And you can explore different careers and different clusters. If you see a career that you like, you can look it up and you can put a little heart by it and make it a favorite. You can explore lots of different ones, anything you're interested in. When you're finished with that, go to the home screen again, click on My Planner, and then Goals. In the Goals section, you'll complete an academic goal, a career goal, and a personal social goal. To write in the box, just click on the box and complete each box. You can just put about a word or two or a sentence in each box and then click Add when you're finished. After you've done the academic goal, the career goal, and the personal goal, you can go back again to the home screen. From here, you'll go to About Me, My Stuff, and Resume. Here, you will click on the red plus sign to add anything you want to your resume. When you are finished, you can go to Print, Export Resume, and you can save your resume by clicking the plus sign and then giving your resume a name and choosing a template. Then continue and finish up when you're done. If you have any questions, please ask your counselor. Thanks and have a great day.